Are y'all ready to have a great time? Woo! We can take a picture. Okay. We got a picture.
You're good.
Okay. Oh, was it a video?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Okay, hang on one second. Mia, what's up?
Hey Pat, I see our partygoers have arrived.
Yeah, no, they all just got here.
Hey everybody, I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's Garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room. Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family. And the faces you see on these walls are our family. When I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together again. So, welcome to our family.
I can't get my picture on the wall. That wasn't allowed, I guess. Hey man, we're on the break room monitor with Mia.
All right. What's up, Mia?
Hey Tej, just welcoming these good people to our family. How are their rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style. All right, Pat.
Yeah.
Let's get these people on their way. Send them over to the war room.
You got it, boss. You take it easy, all right?
Oh, hi everyone. Wasn't expecting you guys. Thanks, Pat, for the, heads up. Always planning ahead for me. Thanks. Yeah. All right. Awesome. Couldn't even text me or anything. This is the war room. This is where Tej does all of his tech magic stuff, from traffic surveillance to actual surveillance. He does it all, but he decided to leave it all up to me today. So, yay me! I get to deal with all. Okay, cool.
Dom, what up?
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs. The FBI is about to raid your location.
FBI.
Man, they always ruining our fun.
Monday morning.
It gets worse. They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Shaw?
Owen Shaw.
That cockroach we beat down in Spain? What's he got to do with this?
Nothing yet. And let's keep it that way. Get those people on those buses.
I could do that.
You need to start bugging out right now. And get that turbo truck ready. I'm sending Letty there to pick it up.
I'm on it.
I'm on it.
Tej is on it.
Hobbs needs our help. He needs our team. Spread the word.
Tell everyone,
But
guys.
keep it in our family. And keep it quiet.
Okay, don't tell anyone at all. I was just kidding about all that, okay? Awesome.
It's Hobbs. Hobbs, my man. What up?
Sorry, Brother Tej, no time for chit-chat. I just sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak. Has Toretto filled you in?
Yeah. He wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
Sounds like a plan. That party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going. We need to discuss how you're going to get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
It's like 12 people.
Okay, hold on. Let me get everybody squared away, and we'll talk offline.
You're the boss.
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell phones. We don't want Shaw tracking your locations.
All right, guys, all the way up. Okay.
Okay, Jamie.
Yeah.
You heard the man.
Okay.
It's about to go to a whole nother level.
Sounds like it.
Send everybody to the loading dock.
All right, boss, I'm on it. Okay, everyone, you're just going to exit right out those doors, go up the ramps, and then onto your party buses. Just be safe. Stay off your phones. You can live without, Facebook and Snapchat for a couple minutes.
My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come. He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe from Shaw, but to keep you safe, we need your help. Please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras, because one flash or ringtone could give us away. And remember, you got a problem, you deal with it together.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party, and the what other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move. That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm like,
You're under arrest right now.
hey, let's just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Shaw traced us. I just can't hold it forever. Lenny, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting. I'm on releases, all warmed up, right next door.
Okay, gang. No flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very quiet.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our time.